When you search for electric fireplace TV stands, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, 1-in-mill fireplace TV stand. The 1-in-mill fireplace TV stand is a sleek, modern piece that immediately caught my attention with its elegant black wood texture. Priced at $169.99, it's designed for TVs up to 80 inches. If you want a stylish blend of functionality and warmth in your living room, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The 36-inch electric fireplace can heat up to 400 square feet and offers customizable flame colors and brightness levels. This means you can create the perfect ambience for movie night or a cozy evening at home. With 2 cabinets for storage and a spacious tabletop, you can keep everything organized. Plus, it has an overheat protection feature and is CSA ETL certified for safety. Now some people complained about the assembly taking longer than expected. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions carefully, it's manageable and worth the effort for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you need a stylish yet functional piece for your living room. Skip this one if you're looking for a standalone heater, as it's meant to supplement heating, not fully replace it. For the price, you're getting great value with this stand. Now, if the assembly concerns you, the next product offers a more straightforward setup, but still delivers on style and functionality. Product number 2, VITESSE Fireplace TV Stand. The VITESSE Fireplace TV Stand is another stunning option that blends modern design with practicality. Priced at $149.99, it's a bit more affordable while still supporting TVs up to 80 inches. If you want a budget-friendly choice that doesn't skimp on features, this is definitely worth considering. What sets the VITESSE apart is its dual purpose. A TV stand and a 36-inch electric fireplace that heats up to 400 square feet, adjustable between 750 and 1500 watts. This means you can choose your preferred temperature and mood by altering the flame color with 12 options. The built-in LED lights, offering 20 vibrant colors and 5 brightness levels, let you set the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. It has a 4.6-star rating from 450 reviews, indicating strong customer satisfaction. Some users noted that the remote control doesn't come with batteries, which can be a hassle. But honestly, most of us have spare batteries lying around, so it's not a deal breaker, especially given the overall value you're getting here. This is perfect for you if you love customizing your space with different lighting effects. For the price, you're getting a stylish stand that feels much more expensive than it is. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who appreciate a farmhouse aesthetic. Product number 3, AMERLIFE 59 Fireplace TV Stand. The AMERLIFE 59 Fireplace TV Stand is a charming piece that caught my eye with its distressed white finish and barnwood accents. At $259.99, it's a bit of an investment, but if you're aiming for a cozy farmhouse vibe, this one's definitely worth a serious look. With adjustable shelving, you can store all your entertainment essentials neatly, and the sliding barn doors add a rustic flair that's both functional and stylish. This product boasts a 4.6-star rating from over 3,000 reviews, which speaks volumes about its popularity and reliability. However, a few users mentioned the assembly was a bit tricky due to the sliding door mechanism. But I'll be real with you, once you figure it out, it's totally worth the effort for such a stunning piece that elevates your living area. This is perfect for you if you love farmhouse-inspired decor and need versatile storage. Skip this if you're not up for some assembly challenges. Considering everything it offers, it's well priced for the style and functionality. Now, if you're after something with modern flair, the next product brings a sleek look that could be exactly what you need. Product number 4, OneBlaze 70 TV Stand. The OneBlaze 70 TV stand immediately stands out with its modern design and all-black finish. Priced at $229.49, it fits TVs up to 80 inches and brings a sleek look to your living space. If you want something stylish that doesn't compromise on function, you should definitely consider this. It's equipped with heat-resistant columns for stability and an adjustable temperature range of 62-82 degrees F. It's CSA ETL certified, ensuring safety for your family. With a rating of 4.4 stars from nearly 500 reviews, it's clear that many have found it to be a reliable choice. Some customers did express concerns about the assembly process being time-consuming. Here's the thing though, if you're patient and follow the instructions, it can be a rewarding project, leading to a beautiful addition to your home. This is perfect for you if you value a modern design that blends into any decor. Skip this if you want something that's ready to use straight out of the box. For what you pay, the quality and functionality make it a worthwhile investment. Now, if you want something with a unique design that showcases the fireplace, the next product is definitely one to check out. Product number 5, AMERLIFE 3-sided glass fireplace TV stand. The AMERLIFE 3-sided glass fireplace TV stand is a standout with its panoramic design that allows for a 360-degree view of the flames. Priced at $224.43, it's a stylish option that accommodates TVs up to 65 inches. If you want something that adds a dramatic flair to your living room, this is a great pick. This stand features a 24-inch electric fireplace that can heat up to 400 square feet, with temperature control ranging from 62-82 degrees F. The glass design not only looks stunning, but also allows you to enjoy the flame from anywhere in the room, which is perfect for entertaining guests. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,800 reviews, it's evident that many appreciate the aesthetics and functionality. Here's the thing though, that's a small price to pay for such a beautiful centerpiece in your home that creates a cozy atmosphere. This is perfect for you if you love modern designs that serve as a focal point. Skip this if you prefer traditional designs without the upkeep. For the price, it's a fantastic value considering the visual impact it delivers. So to recap, we covered the 1-in-mill for its stylish look, the VITESSC for budget-friendly options, the AMERLIFE 59 for farmhouse charm, the 1 for modern aesthetics, and finally the AMERLIFE 3-sided glass for a stunning focal point. Each stand has its unique features, so think about what fits your space and lifestyle best. Happy shopping!